everyone, and a special to you for watching this video. So in the previous video I made a little onesie out of this easy pattern, and in that video I'll show you where you can go and see how I made this pattern. So today I'm just going to make some pants and a shirt. I'm just going to use some stretchy material. It's the easiest to use. This is just a little cup of my little grandson that's too small for him, and that will work perfect. It's t-shirt material. You can use any material you want as long as it's stretchy. So I'm going to make this pants and shirts using the same pattern that I made for that. Just like you can see here by the V for pants, I'm going to make the pants to as long as that, just underneath the arm, and then the shirt again here for the length there, just where the legs started. So I'm going to use the same pattern for both of that. So yeah, in that case, let's get started. So for the pants, I'm going to start in here. Also just go around the pattern. And there you go. Oop. So I'm just going to put a needle back inside so I can keep it on one place. Okay, for the legs on this side, I'm just going to make it a little bit more in, so it can be just a little bit narrower, maybe a half a centimeter. And I'm going to close the feet here as well. I'm going to make it a bit shorter. Okay, and then I'm just going to also just by half a centimeter go in here by the waist, just to make it a little bit narrower. Then I don't have to put elastic band in there. So that's it, just using the same pattern. You can see like this there. Okay, so you can do it hand sewing. I'm going to do it on my machine, so I'll be back. So there you go, I just sew it all around the lines there. So now I'm just going to cut it out, just as close to the sewing. Just be careful to not too close. And these are little bands. So now I'm just going to make a shirt quickly for her. Okay, so I'm going to choose the brim of the little beanie hat, just turn the right sides in, fold it. So with the shirt, just gonna go first spin it. Spin. And then we're going to start here by the leg side there. Just go around. And there you go. Oh, just a pin here again, just to keep it in place. And just quickly sew it there. Actually, okay, so I just sew it around the lines there, so I'm just going to cut it out. Can just see in the corners. Okay, fold it in half. Just cut out a small little triangle, okay? Because the little doll head can come off, so it doesn't have to be that big. And then also turn it on right sides out. Okay, these are cute little pants and shirts. So I'm just going to make a little beanie for as well. So I'm going to use this leftover of that little hat. I'm going to take it just around the head. See, for the length, it's almost here. So I'm just going to cut it here. And this is so small, I'm soon going to use a hand sew, so I'm just going to fold it inside out and just want to do an overhand stitch. Oh, first I forgot something. Let's see how long I want it. Okay, about that size there. Okay. I come to the top of this. I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to all around just stretch stitches all around the head. Just gonna pull it tight and end it off. And there you go, quick little beanie. So now I'm just going to dress it quickly. And look how cute our little baby looks in a new outfit. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, press that like button, subscribe and share it with any friends of you that would like the same video as this. And until next time, Ben. Bye.